Let's do an at-home blowout. So what you're gonna need today is a curling iron and some Velcro rollers. The first section that you're gonna take is right along that front of your hairline. You only wanna do it as wide as your Velcro roller or curling iron. Don't do it any bigger, it'll just be a lot of trouble. So you're gonna curl your iron just straight back. It doesn't have to be to a certain side or anything. Then put it into the palm of your hand so it can cool for a little bit. Grab your roller and roll it away from your face and make sure there is a bit of tension. That's what's gonna get you the volume in your hair, is that tension in there. I'm gonna go directly behind it and do the exact same thing all the way in kind of a mohawk section of my head. Okay, we did the back section. Time to focus on the sides. So I'm gonna take kind of a triangle at the top where your front section kind of meets, and then we're gonna do a roller there just to give you that side volume because you don't want everything in just this flat line on the top. And then after we do those two triangles kind of on either side, I'm gonna go right at the front of my hairline. Again, it doesn't really matter your sectioning, it just matters that it's kind of not bigger than your iron. Sorry, my cat's in the background making noise. After I do my two front roller sections, I'm gonna go in the back, and I actually did run out of rollers, so what I'm doing in the back is just curling it and then pinning it in the shape of a roller, kind of a pin curl-ish thing. And on the first side, I just did two sections because I had a little bit less hair on that side. The next one, I'm doing three sections. I'm still trying to do all of them so they curl inward into my hair. I do not want to do any flippy, outy curls. Once it's all pinned, you just let that rest for, sometimes I do 2 hours. Now, today, I only did about 5 minutes because I'm lazy. And then I sprayed it with some hairspray, and then here's me just taking them out. When you take out the pin curls, it's pretty easy. You just take it out, it'll fall out. When you take out the rollers, try not to let it get tangled with the other hair. That's kind of the biggest mistake, and then your hair gets caught up and it's just a mess. If some other hair does get in there, carefully work to pick it out. Please do not just pull on the roller, you will snap your hair and it sucks. I hate break it. You just don't want to do that. Also, you can see when I'm taking out the rollers, I'm twisting them out. If you take them out just flatly, you'll get that volume, but you won't get as much of a curl. It is weird how much it depends on how you're taking them out. That front one, I'm just doing straight back because I don't want too much of a curl in my bangs. Now, I know this looks a little bit crazy, but you're going to want to shake it out, grab a comb, and start going to town. Start shaping your hair how you want it to be. If you want it to be a little more curly and messy, don't comb it out all the way. But this is really just the styling portion. I always go for a side part. I feel like that's what looks best on me. Cooper, stop! My cat is howling right now. This is what my hair looks like about, I would say like an hour later. It's still holding up well. I kind of just went in for a little parting and I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, say in the comments what hair tutorials you'd want me to try next. Yeah, and have a good day.